Reham Khan, the ex-wife of Prime Minister Imran Khan, narrowly escaped a gun attack in Islamabad Sunday night. In a tweet on January 3 at 1:59 a.m., she revealed that on the way back home from her nephew's wedding, her car was shot and two men on a motorcycle held the vehicle at gunpoint. I had just changed vehicles. My personal secretary and drivers were in the car, she said, and demanded that the so-called government should be held accountable for it. Reham, in multiple updates on her Twitter handle, complained that she and her staff had to wait for hours to get an FIR registered. It is 9 a.m. My PS personal secretary and team have not had a minute of sleep, and the FIR still has not been registered in Shamskluni police station, Islamabad. Investigation is ongoing, she tweeted Monday morning. At 10 a.m., Reham shared a copy of a complaint filed at the police station. It states that they were on the Rawalpindi Islamabad highway near the IJP road when two men tried to stop them at gunpoint. The suspects were between the age of 25 and 30. She added that they were now waiting for the FIR. The former TV presenter Reham Khan has been always on the media scenario even after the divorce with Imran Khan. From the day of divorce till today, Reham Khan has always raised allegations against Imran Khan has never responded her allegations. Apart from the personality of Imran Khan and his personal life, Reham is a harsh critic of the Imran Khan's government. After reading text-to-tweet message of Reham Khan, one can well imagine how she thinks about the government of the Khan. In her tweet after this incident, she has written, "On the way back from my nephew's marriage, my car just got fired at two men on a motorbike held vehicle at gunpoint. I had just changed vehicles. My PS and drivers, is this Imran Khan's new Pakistan? Welcome to the state of cowards, thugs, and the greedy." Reham has emerged on political scenario with a complaint of gun attack on a car at a time when political temperature is very high. The news items are roaming around in media that Nawaz Sharif is coming back in Pakistan and Shahbaz Sharif might be the new Prime Minister of Pakistan. It is to be remembered that Reham has been in contact with Shahbaz Sharif after separation with Imran Khan. Whatever, the new political game is being formed in Pakistan now. In the new political scenario, justice should not be delayed in the complaint of Reham. I'm Wasim Raza from Italy and you're watching Globbal TV.